Hey girls, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite bathing suits I have. Woman's high-waisted bikini set is beautiful. I love this yellow color with the floral design. I also appreciate that it's high-waisted because this provides tummy control. I like it all the way around. It's just beautiful, it fits great, and it's super comfortable. I also appreciate this very vibrant color that doesn't fade away. You can really see and feel the quality. You're also going to see that the top piece is padded, so it helps you feel confident, secure that everything's gonna be in place. It also has an adjustable strap. I love this bathing suit. I highly recommend it, and I know you will love it too. If you're looking for something comfortable that fits great, then definitely go for this one. I love it, but that's just my point of view.